Hello everyone, we're just going to go over one of the intelligent flight modes. To get into this mode, just click on your little controller icon, draw. So basically, it's going to fly along a route, and you can use the control sticks and direct your drone freely at this point. So let's try it out. So let's say we want to fly over to the... Welcome to the K&D Enterprise channel. The best way to support me is to subscribe, so please subscribe. Okay, so we're going to draw the route. I'm just focusing on where I want to go, but anyways, so there's a little arrow here, so start from here, take your finger and draw along. So we'll give that a try, and we're going to keep it going at, we'll just do 4.5 miles an hour. And aircraft heading, you can choose from either forward or free, and I want to choose free. That way I can rotate the aircraft and it should maintain that course. So let's say okay. And go. So at this point, I mean, you have to be careful because you have to control your altitude. And it should just come along here. It's probably just going to maintain this route. And as I said, if you wanted, okay, basically you can only use the left stick, it looks like. We'll rotate it around. Yeah, it makes sense because if you tried to use the right stick, that would take it off its course, so you can't do that. Okay, so it reached the end point. So let's say stop, and we'll let it hover in place. And I'm going to do the same thing. And let's just tell it to come back to my yard here.